All right, I decided to start cutting my dogs on here. Just try it. So I bought these clippers off of Amazon, and OneIsAll. I think they're made in Germany. So I figured I'd try them out, show everybody. Manual. It gives you guards. Let's check out the clippers. Wow, it's very heavy. It's kind of hard for me to hold. I'm a paraplegic, so I'm trying to do all this at once. Wow, that is like serious weight right there. I mean, it's all rechargeable. Extra power mode, LED flush. I mean, these are really nice. I can't tell you how much this weighs, but it's unbelievable. I mean, it's like, feels like I'm holding a handgun or something. It's very heavy. Comes with the recharge cord, brush, scissors, and then all your guards. So I'm going to try this out on my dog, Bella. Come here, girl. She is going to get a haircut. Go get a haircut. See, she has pretty thick hair too. So I'm gonna give her a haircut and I will post it after this on part 2. God bless.